Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn about Shopify Dawn theme mega menu customization tutorial. So first thing that we should do is we have to open our Shopify store, and of course, once you've logged into your account, you'll then just have to click on the online store option and then just click on themes. Okay, and as you can see right here, we already have our Shopify Dawn theme. So let me just preview this one. Okay, so we can click on the customization option, or we can also click on the view your store option right here. So as you can see, our menus at the top are very simple. So it doesn't have any other menus under that mega menu. Now to make a mega menu, all we have to do is we have to go back to our dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, the menus at the top of this website is very simple. So I'm going to customize that. We'll then just have to click on the navigation option. Okay, and then right here, you will then just have to select the main menu under the menus. Okay, so just click on this one. So we have your home, catalog, contact, and add to wish list. Okay, so let me just click on the main menu. And then once you're here, as you can see, we have here our menu items. We have the home, the catalog, the contact, and the add to wish list. Now, if we want to add a menu item, all we have to do is to simply click on the add menu item right here. So for example, we would like to add menus or items under the contact. So to do that, just click on this one, and then right here at the right side, we just have to type out right here the name, and of course we have to search or paste a link after that. Okay, so right here, since we are going to paste here the link, okay, like for example our Facebook page, so we just have to go to our Facebook account and then copy the link, and then we have to paste it right here. And then after that, you will then just have to simply click on the add option, this one at the bottom right of our screen. Okay, and then what you're going to do is to drag that item under that specific mega menu, okay, or that specific menu. And then next is we are going to add more menu item. So just have to do the same, just click on add menu item, and then you just have to type out the name, for example, WhatsApp. And then next is you just have to simply paste here the link of your WhatsApp account. So I'm just going to use the same link for my Facebook since this is just an example. But of course, you have to use the correct link for that specific item. Okay, and then for the next item is I'm going to type out right here Instagram, and then I'm just going to paste the same link. Then after that, just click on add at the bottom right of our screen. So as you can see, under the contact, we have Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So before we proceed, let me just save this one. Okay, so just click on the save menu option, and then let's go back to our store. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then refresh it. Okay, and then right here when we click on contact, as you can see, we have now Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So you can add as many items as you wish. That's why it is called mega menu. Now let us try to add a different items under a different menu. So let me just go back right here, and for example, I would like to create an item under the catalog. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the add menu item. Then right here at the right side, we just have to do the same. You just have to type out the name and of course the link. Okay, so I'm going to choose this products, and then of course you also have the choice to select a specific product, or you can also click on all products. Then after that, just click on done. Okay, and then what you're going to do is to drag that under the catalog. Okay, so you just have to move it to your right, and that specific item will be under that specific menu. So before we proceed, let me just save this menu first, and let us go back to our store to preview our edit. Okay, so let me just go under the catalog. And right here would be able to see our products, right? Okay, So when we go to the contact, we also have here the Facebook, the WhatsApp, and Instagram. So going back to this settings, I would like to create a new menu, which is the About Us. So the same process, we just have to go here and then click on the add menu item. And at the right side, we just have to type out the name, and then we have to search or paste here a link. So for example, I would want to search for a link, okay, under this website. Okay, so let me just type it right here first, About Us, and then click on this box right here. And for example, I would want to add here the policies. Okay, so let me try to add here the policies. And as you can see, if you don't have a policies on your website, you have to take note that you have to create one. So to do that, you just have to go back to your theme, and then from there you can create a page so that you can automatically add that right here on the menu item that you have created. Okay, so for example, homepage. Then after that, you will then just have to click on add. Now that we are done here on the navigation section, let us now go back to our store and then try to customize this one if we can add menu item from here. Okay, so let us try to click on the pages at the top center. Okay, and let me just click on the products. As you can see, you don't have any option right here where we can create a new menu. And right here at the left side, if we are to click on the gear icon or the settings, you'll be able to see here the theme settings. So we can change here or start customizing the font style of our mega menu. Okay, we can also change the color of our mega menu. So we just have to go to this settings right here. We can also go to the sections if we are to make some changes. But if you are very particular with the colors, and of course it's the font style of your mega menu, then you can go here on the gear icon or the settings. So basically, a mega menu in Shopify Dawn theme is crucial for improving the overall user experience by providing easy and intuitive navigation. For stores with extensive product catalogs, its additional drop-down menu can become cluttered and hard to navigate. So a mega menu offers a more organized solution by displaying categories and subcategories in a structured multi-column layout. This makes it easier for customers to find specific products, reducing the number of clicks needed and enhancing their overall shopping experience. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.